Energy. What comes to mind when you hear the word energy? Is it what you need when you go for a run? Or does it charge your phone's battery? Both of these things use energy. So what is it exactly? Scientists say energy is the ability to do work or apply a force. In other words, energy is the power it takes to do anything, from running, to cooking, to charging your phone. Humans have been using energy for millions of years. Ancient humans created or generated energy through combustion, or burning. They would burn things like wood and animal dung, known as biomass. For the past few thousand years, we've also burned coal and oil, known as fossil fuels. We use the energy from these fires to cook or to stay warm when the sun, a powerful energy source, wasn't enough. But combustion wasn't the only energy we used. Early civilizations built boats with giant sails, using the power of wind to travel for commerce, exploration, or war. Water wheels used the energy of flowing water to run machines that ground grain, sawed logs, and crushed rocks. For millennia, that's thousands of years, these were our main sources of energy. We still use them today, especially fossil fuels. But over the past 300 years, how we use them has changed. In the mid-18th century, we started using combustion energy to power machines. Steam engines burned coal to create heat, which turned water into steam. The steam moved a piston, which powered a machine, like the paddle wheel of a steamboat. But the greatest shift in how we use energy came with the discovery of electricity. Now, instead of using combustion energy to power machines directly, we use it to generate electricity, which in turn powers, well, everything. When we started burning fossil fuels to create electricity, humans began creating more usable energy than ever before. And as the population of the world continues to increase, so does the demand for energy. And that poses a couple of problems. One problem is that fossil fuels are a non-renewable resource. This means that once we use them, they're gone. The other problem is pollution. Burning fossil fuels releases greenhouse gases, like carbon dioxide, that can damage the ozone layer, trap heat in the atmosphere, and contribute to rising global temperatures. So what does this mean for our long-term energy needs? As the demand for energy continues to grow, we need to look for renewable resources, old ones like wind and water, and new ones like solar panels, which can harvest energy from our environment without harming it, powering a brighter future for us all.